Hong Kong to host world's first Doraemon-themed drone show. Are you ready? The skies above Tsim Sha Tsui Promenade will light up with over 1,000 drones in what is set to be the world's first drone show themed around the beloved Japanese cartoon character, Doraemon. The event, fully licensed by the copyright holder, celebrates one of Japan's most enduring cultural icons. The organizers are preparing for a significant turnout, reflecting the widespread appeal of the character. Scheduled to start at 7:30 p.m. on May 25th, the 20-minute spectacle will feature drones arranged in various formations, depicting iconic characters and gadgets from the series. If you are fans, don't miss it.